Is the KTC QHD Gaming Monitor worth your money? Or are there better options available? In this review, we'll dive into the features and performance of this popular gaming monitor to help you decide. The KTC QHD Gaming Monitor boasts an impressive 4.5-star rating from over 1,600 reviews, indicating a solid reputation among gamers and tech enthusiasts alike. With its key features, it's clear why this monitor has gained such popularity. The 200Hz refresh rate, for instance, provides a smoother gaming experience by reducing screen tearing and stuttering. This is thanks to the adaptive sync technology, which eliminates these issues altogether. The QHD resolution of 2560 by 1440 delivers clearer and more detailed images, making it perfect for both gaming and everyday use. The 450 candelas per square meter brightness and 99% sRGB color gamut ensure vibrant colors, while the fast IPS panel provides accurate color performance and viewing angles. This results in a wide range of colors, from bright and vivid to dark and detailed. The monitor's HDR 400 technology enhances brightness and contrast, bringing more realism to visual effects. It also boasts an excellent 178 degrees wide viewing angle, allowing you to enjoy the same color sense no matter where you are seated. The low blue light emission reduces eye strain, making it comfortable for extended use. In terms of design and build quality, the KTC QHD Gaming Monitor has a sleek and modern appearance. The 27-inch monitor is well suited for desktop setups, with a sturdy construction that can support heavier components. However, some users may find the stand slightly flimsy, which could be improved. The connectivity options are extensive, with two HDMI 2.0 ports, capable of 144 Hz, 2 DP 1.4 ports, 200 Hz, overclockable to 210 Hz, a USB 2.0 port, and an earphone jack. This flexibility makes it easy to switch seamlessly between work and entertainment. The built-in speakers provide decent sound quality for online gaming or watching videos. In everyday use, the KTC QHD Gaming Monitor performs admirably. Its low input lag ensures smooth gameplay, while its fast IPS panel provides accurate color representation. However, some users may notice a slight delay in response time, which could be improved. The main advantages of this monitor are its impressive display quality, smooth gaming performance, and extensive connectivity options. The adaptive sync technology and HDR 400 ensure a seamless viewing experience, while the low blue light emission makes it comfortable for extended use. However, some users may find the stand flimsy and the response time slightly delayed. Ultimately, the KTC QHD Gaming Monitor is an excellent choice for gamers and tech enthusiasts looking for a high-quality display. While it may not be perfect, its strengths far outweigh its weaknesses. If you're in the market for a reliable gaming monitor with impressive features, this could be the right choice for you. If you'd like to learn more, you'll find additional information in the description.